So here are my entrance discs that I've made. How I have it set up is I have a blank, I have a 2-inch hole, queen excluder, and queen slots for vents, and then your little hand hold here so you can turn it, and of course your mounting hole in the middle. And one of the reasons why I made it with the 2-inch hole, I actually want these, I'll make some smaller ones, but I want these to mount on my hives I catch swarms in, so that way I can close it off. So you can see right here. So there's an 1.5 inch hole there. That's where your orange caps fit in. And I just wanted a bigger entrance so that way you get more airflow when you have your hives in there. And then you can also close it, got your queen excluder, and you'd still have plenty of air because you've got a bigger hole. And then same thing with your air vents right here. And then if you wanted to blanket all the way off, maybe for storage, or treating with oxalic acid, that'd be perfect right there. You can also use this little hole here if you wanted just a small little entrance and still keep some ventilation there. But that's how I have it all set up here. And I was thinking too, painting these different colors too, so especially when you make them for your mating nukes, so you get just a variation of colors on all your mating nukes. So on your entrances, I thought that would be pretty neat. But pretty simple, pretty easy to cut out with the plasma. And there we go. So one thing too, on my slots here, I don't know if it's my plasma cutter or my drawing, but you can see there's a little wavy going on too, but I'm ranging from like 162 all the way, sorry, I'm ranging from 0.162 to about 0.175. So hopefully it's not too big where queen can escape. I don't think it is, but maybe. And then these range from 0.12 to 0.1, so bees should not be able to get through there. And that's how I have it set up there. So pretty nice. As far as cost-wise, cost is pretty close to the same as purchasing some of these, but I wanted a bigger hole in here. But I don't know. I might try to sell some or make even some larger ones. If this works pretty good, so that way you can keep your bottom on your hive for your swarm catching boxes and still be able to close them off really easy, or queen excluder or whatever you want to do. I thought that'd be pretty neat. So I'm gonna make some, get some made up for myself. If anybody wants any, just let me know in the comments. Maybe we could make something happen.